On today's segment, I'll make a baked salmon with sauteed peppers and a side of honey vinaigrette dressing. I have about 1.5 pounds of North Atlantic salmon, and this was thoroughly washed. I'm going to season this, place this in the fridge for half an hour, and then cook. First, I'll drizzle some olive oil, a squeeze of lime, and please make sure your hands are super clean. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to rub this in. If you don't want to use your fingers, then you can use a brush. You can also add Old Bay instead of salt and pepper. So I'll add a little bit of that. I honestly prefer that over salt and pepper, or just over salt. And I'll put a little bit more on the thicker side. And a little bit of pepper. I'll place some cling wrap over the dish. And this goes in the fridge for half an hour. Remove some of the inside, the flesh, and then cut them down into small strips. And I'm going to chop some cilantro for the garnish and the dressing. I personally like to make a large batch of the pepper. However, you don't have to. You can use a half of each color or just one color. I just like the medley, and it just looks colorful and more appealing when it's presented. I finished cooking the pepper and onion mixture. However, if you want to do this while the fish is cooking, so they both kind of do their thing simultaneously, that's fine too. I'm just recording, so it was easier for me to do this and then go to the fish. While that was cooking, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees, so let's pop the salmon in. My baking sheet, you don't have to put aluminum foil on it. However, I will because I don't like the additional cleanup. Look at this, it's beautiful. Remember, if you don't like picking this up with your hand, you could use your tongs. And get everything that's in the dish on the salmon as well. The dressing is very easy to make. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vinegar, half a lime. I'll add some honey, not too much, just a little. And I'm going to pop this in the microwave. Add some cilantro and some olive oil. I put about 2 tablespoons there. Thank you again for watching this segment. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.